So this is where you get dropped off at if you get on the tram.
I know, that doesn't mean they're gonna let us go.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We're at the ticket center, the transportation center. We decided to head on over to Magic Kingdom today. It closes a little early, I think at 10?
For a Friday.
Yeah. Monorail's already here, so we decided to do that instead of going on the ferry boat because there wasn't one there yet. So we just decided to head on over here. Yay! We're going to the spooky house now. It's one of my favorite rides. We happen to get a fast pass.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Flight for later, so it is possible. Brian's checking now to see if maybe there's some other ones.
I'm gonna do Astro Orbiter, 25 minutes.
We could try if we want to. But it doesn't rain. See that rain cloud behind you?
Yeah, that'll be alright. I'm not a weatherman, but I think we'll be alright.
There's another rain cloud over here too. Too bad. Wait, that's already.
Honey. Come on, let's see. Let's see. It's not. The plane going spinning.
It was bad. Are you doing this? Right on this.
Wait. Full turn.
Alright. Are you going the other way to really make it bad? This is so
Bye-bye.
So we just rode this. I'm sure you saw our reactions. It felt like we were going super, super fast. But Brian was going this way, then he went this way, then he went that way. What do you have to say?
Wish I could have gone faster.
Alright.
Attention all pilots. To ensure a safe flight, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And please, supervise younger pilots.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cockpit. Cuide a los pequeños pilotos. Gracias.
Gracias. Action.
Ready, Brian?
Hi.
Want to go high this time?
Sure. Look at the castle. Look, there's Beauty and the Beast.
To make your rocket ship fly higher, pull back on the control lever in front of you.
Yeah.
To descend, just push the control lever forward. Thank you.
Ready?
Pilots, prepare for liftoff.
We're going high. I am.
Look at Tron. It feels like we're falling this way.
We're at an angle. Oh my gosh, it's going fast.
Holy crap, it is low right here.
We go higher.
Holy crap. Oh my god.
Yes, we're high. We're at the highest. We're high.
I petrified the pipe, and this is freaking me out.
Look.
Oh my god.
Now it's taking us down. We're going on an angle.
That was insane.
That was super fast. So it's really cloudy and it's still kind of windy here.
So the question is, when it's cloudy like that, do you ride a roller coaster that's outside, or do you go into what you have your fast pass for?
We have our Peter Pan's flight pass, so I need to do that.
Yeah, I don't want to lose that. The last time we rode Peter Pan was at Disneyland.
Was it? We never rode it here? I think we rode it here. When we
Maybe
first
6
got
years
here.
ago.
That's how long ago I was worked here. It tells you how old I am. But there's like clouds over here too. So we'll see. Yeah, 7 Dwarfs is 75 minutes. Fine.
It's really short.
Cause I'm short. You want to see what I see? That's why. So now when I hold it up, I'm like, if I go like this,
Okay, it makes you skinnier.
I know. It makes it look a lot better if I hold it like this. And then do I look weird holding it up like this?
Yeah. But
Or if you make faces, then that does.
other people do too.
Who? My arm's hurting. It's going
Other
lower.
vloggers.
My arm's hurting. It's going down.
Wait, merry-go-round's open.
I'll see you in a bit. So we made a mistake. We put our like one fast passes at one time and the other one's at the other time.
And I looked at it wrong.
We looked at our phones, I guess, wrong. So instead of doing Peter Pan's flight, we're gonna go on 7 Dwarfs. And then after, when there's other stuff, then we'll do Peter Pan's flight.
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, so we're on number 10, and supposedly it's the best seat in the house when it comes to this ride.
But I don't want to be the only one rocking
fun in the back. Okay. Yes.
Way funner in the back.
Way fun.
You can see Snow White.
Like, I was like, what's going Oh my god, you can see the cars driving.
You can probably get it more than like.
Look, can you see the cars driving? So cool. Now comment below when you see Ariel and the mermaids. You got
Mermaid Lagoon.
the mermaid. It is so cool. Oh, they got the last boys. Do you see her? Comment below. Don't jump, Wendy.
Oh, she's shaking.
There's Shmee. Yeah. Hi, Shmee. That's gonna be our thumbnail right here. So we're on the people So we're on the people mover. And this is probably by far the most relaxing.
It's like on a hot summer day.
Actually, plus the Carousel Progress is another ride that's probably the best. That's what I said, Progress.
You said pocket.
Whatever.
Don't make it late.
So I think that one's a nice on a hot summer day too.
Want to be sure to enjoy today while
But
visiting this
anyway, we're on this, chilling out with our homies.
The people
It's also like 9:40
for people watching.
or something like
So
that.
keep your eyes
It's
peeled.
almost when
You
the
never know who you might see.
So it's kind of cool just watching everybody too.
So what we'll probably do is stay for the kiss goodnight.
I don't know if there is a kiss tonight. I think it's just gonna stay. Bye everything.
Get out.
We'll try to do the intro section. I don't know if there's any more or much more going on.
We'll see. Bye for now. Okay, so we're back. So, I get the best angle. Anyway, so we did quite a bit. Fireworks from behind the castle was actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I would highly recommend going right behind the castle in Fantasyland.
Like right there by the merry-go-round.
Yeah, behind the merry-go-round, right before you get to like those
Carousel.
castle
Yeah.
fences, but
The turrets right
Yeah.
there. Because I think it means loud, so if you don't like the loud noises, don't go. But don't do that until you see in front of the castle so you know what's going on.
share with your friends, subscribe, and like the videos so that way we know we're doing a good job and you
Yeah.
guys like it.
So we will see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe not. See you guys later.
We'll see you on the next video.
Alright, bye.
Alex and Vera. On behalf of everyone here at the Kingdom, we thank you for joining us today for a magical gathering of family, friends, fun, and things. We hope that your magical journey with us has created wonderful memories. Walt Disney said that the magic kingdom is a world of imagination, hopes, and dreams. In this timeless land of enchantment, magic and make-believe are reborn. Fairy tales come true. The magic kingdom is a place for the young and the young. Special place where No, you gotta have a safe trip home. Thank you and goodnight.